Narendra Modi ji will be celebrating his 70th birthday on 17th of this month. I pray to God and the Almighty that may he have long years and good health, because I consider him as destiny's child for the nation, who is there sent by destiny to transform this nation into a superpower. And superpower simply means not simply calling us super with all the weapons. Superpower means inclusive growth, where we will be all superior in more ways than one. What we are not today, we will be in the future. We have the power in ourselves, we have the power to transform. So that is the mindset of our Honorable Prime Minister. So if he transforms the nation and he helps us to transform ourselves, we will be having one of the best forward-looking, educated, positive thinking society, where the welfare of everyone will be counted, calling it the inclusive growth.